Welcome to Peri Tunes Kids Channel.
Circle, circle, round and wide. No straight lines and no side. Rolls along so smooth and free, like the moon or a big blue sea. Circle, circle, can't you see? You're as round can be. A square has sides that all are same, all are same, all are same. Four straight lines and four right angles, that its name, square's its name. Pointy little triangle, three sides sharp and strong. Count the corners, 1, 2, 3. Join and sing along. Rectangles are long and wide, side by side. Two short sides and two are long. Sing this rectangle song. Oval, oval, not quite round. Stretched out circles can be found, like an egg or a balloon, floating softly past the moon. Oval, oval, smooth and neat. You're an egg-shaped kind of treat. A hexagon has six sides just for kicks. Count them up and sing along. 6 sides make it strong. Hexagon, hexagon, 6 is never wrong.